Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the nail surface is ready. Clean thoroughly with an alcohol wipe for about 10-15 seconds to remove oils. Once done, apply a thin, even base coat and cure under an LED lamp for the time the product requires, usually 30-60 seconds. This creates the tacky layer chrome needs to stick. Make sure the free edge is free of product and that the base layer is smooth, because bumps will show through the chrome finish. You now transfer the chrome powder. Pick up a small amount on a dense silicone or eyeshadow-style applicator and press it into the tacky layer with circular motions to build coverage. Continue rubbing until the surface reflects evenly. This friction polishes the pigment and eliminates streaks. Make sure to remove excess powder from the cuticle area. Next, apply a no-wipe gel top coat to lock the chrome in place and cure it under LED. You finish by cleaning any pigment from the skin with a soft brush or lint-free cloth. Buff the free edge lightly and add a second thin top coat if you want extra durability, then cure completely. Make sure the edges are sealed to prevent lifting. If you notice patchy spots, don't panic. Gently file the area, reapply a thin base coat, cure, and repeat the pigment rubbing step until uniform. That fix usually restores a mirror-like result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.